Gorilla Cooking Show. I'm your boy, Chef Perry, the Vegan Gorilla. Today I'm going to make a very healthy, quick salad. You can make for any of your guests, family, or as a side. Very, very healthy. It's got parsley, cilantro, cucumber, avocado. I got some lime juice, could use lemon juice, and some sea salt. So let's throw this together and make a nice little salad. All right. So we're going to do a cup of cilantro. So this is all pre-washed. Get a good cup in there. Now, not everybody likes cilantro. I love it personally. Reminds me of Mexico. Mexico! And I just love the taste. I never liked it at first, I have to admit, when I first tried it. But I guess you either like it or hate it. So I'm going to do a cup of that. Put that in. I'm just going to give it a quick chop. So I like to do this, kind of roll it up as best as I can. Take my knife. It's nice little chop. Roll a bit more. That's it. Nice little lined up chop there. It's got to be a rough chop, doesn't have to be anything special. Then we're going to take some nice curly Italian parsley. Italian. I use some of the stalks, I don't put too much in. A nice little balance. But there is a lot of nutrients in the stalk too, so just get rid of that. Let's put a little bit more in there. Dump that. Same thing, give it a little roll, squeeze. A little squeeze.
Oh, wow.
And roll, squeeze, roll, squeeze, roll, squeeze, roll. There. Enough of that, let's just cook. Yeah. Roughly chopped roughly. And I got a small cucumber. This looks like a pickle. That chop, chop, chop. And then I'm just going to give it a quick chop. Again, it's just going to be a rough chop, so. About the size of a thumbnail in each. I'll do the whole cucumber. I don't want to say pickle because it looks so much like a pickle. Everything's fresh in season right now, so it's nice to have these fresh ingredients. Prices are starting to look a little bit more reasonable because they're in season, so thank goodness for that. And then take our avocado. Pour that. Got a few strips, slices there. Forward and backwards, backwards and forwards. Same here. And then we'll just pull that out so it's all nice and cubed. Little cubes, almost like the same size as the cucumbers. I go right down to the skin. I don't waste any of that goodness, as you can see. That in there, put that in there. This in here. All right. Now, I'm going to move this aside. Give it a little bit of love. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Gotta have your love. Then we're going to add a couple pinches of sea salt. So we got pink Himalayan sea salt there, 2 pinches. Now I got lime juice. You could use lemon juice. Lemon juice might be better actually. We use lime, but it's all I got. I ran out of lemon juice, so I'm going to put a little drizzle or 2 on that. Not too much. You can always add. You can't take away. And give it a little stir. But you can really smell those grains in there. Again, this is so good. Parsley, cilantro, they're very good for help detoxifying the blood. And so many nutrients in there. And of course, the avocado, the healthy fats. Let's give it a quick little taste test so we can make sure we get enough salt and nut in there. Another pinch of salt. I think that's going to do it. Nice. All right. Done. See? Simple. So let's get this plated up, cleaned up, and I'll come back, give a taste test, 1-5 rows, see how it is. Back in a minute. Okay, gorillas, I am back with our healthy salad. Check it out. Just smell green freshness. I don't know, whenever I make this, I feel so much healthier. It gives you a little boost of energy after and that. And again, you don't have to put all kinds of ranch dressing on all that stuff and different creamy sauces and all that. I know it's not for everyone with the cilantro and stuff, but if you like cilantro and you like parsley, this is a great combination. It's 1-in-1, so a cup of each. An avocado, cucumber. You can sprinkle on some sesame seeds if you want and stuff like that. If you want to add a little bit more protein and stuff. But overall, this is just a simple dish, great for a side on a meal. And as you can see, it took me no time to make it. So let's give it a shot. Wow. That really tastes fresh. And with the right amount of salt in there, so just taste test it before you serve it or eat it. Make sure you got enough in there because it's got to give it that nice little balance between the lemon or the lime, whatever you use, and the salt. And boy, that really, the creaminess of the avocado and the crunch of the cucumber. I'll tell you one, that's a great salad. Don't take any photos after this because your teeth are probably full of green stuff, so I can't smile. But that is very good. I'm going to give it a 4. 4 to 5 gorillas. Not a 5 because I use lime instead of lemon. And I made this before, and I like it better just a little bit better with the lemon as opposed to the lime. A little different tartness to it. Still just as good. Just personal preference. I didn't have any lemon, but yeah, splash some lemon on there and instead of the lime, or you can use lime, whatever floats your boat. But that is a good salad. Great side, and definitely healthy for the body. Cleanses out your blood. Lots of energy. Lots of protein. You get fiber. You get everything in there. So give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like. Send it in the comments if you tried it, you made it, and what you think. And if I don't see you again, or when I see you again, that's it. Much love.